what we got, YouTube. Look at what we got. We got a CD player, like I was telling you guys before. So, the CD player, we're gonna break it. And first, he's gonna hit it right here.
Right here?
If you want to hit it right there, where are you gonna hit it first?
Alright, I'll hit it right here.
And then I'm gonna hit it right here.
Okay.
Oh, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Guys. Look, you guys. Oh, God. Oh, guys. Look what he just brought out. Look at that.
That's awesome. Buddy.
See what the arms do. See what the arms bounce.
What? Oh, those?
Yeah. Oh, look what it did to him. Okay. We're not moving no more. I don't know why.
Let's see it first.
Oh, wow. No, guys. No, it's not moving.
Here, wait, you take this thing up there.
What the heck? Oh,
Oh, God. I got the hammer stuck in the middle of it.
oh, let go. Let go. Your family of electronics now, let go. Oh, guys, look what he got off. Look what he got off. So, as I said in my other video, you guys should be able to know what type of radio this is. You guys probably grew up with it, not being a smart ass. You guys probably grew up with this radio. With this type of radio. Oh, wow, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Check that out.
That's what it is. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm pretty sure you can, but
Yeah.
there it is.
I'm seeing it up here. Seeing it. Alright, we're gonna see what happens when we hit it from up above. Like right here. We're gonna see. Oh, stuff breaking. See, look.
Hey, there was a disc still in it, man.
Where? That's it. YouTubers, look at that.
Tim McGrath. Oh god, I can't even say it. Tim McGrath greatest hits. Destroyed.
Hey, let me see, let me see, let me see.
Four.
Let me see.
It's a 5-disc player. Yeah, I threw it away.
So we're gonna see something here. Oh, I don't have a screwdriver. Oh, he broke something, guys.
It's a little disc spinner thing.
Guys, look at that. Where did the CD go? Oh, guys, look what I did to the CD. Look what I did to the CD, guys.
Wait up before you get on it, buddy. Don't hit on it yet. Don't hit on it.
broke into the CD, guys. I broke the CD. I broke it. Yes, I broke it. I don't know about you guys, but I dislike country music. I don't know about you guys, but me, myself, I dislike it. Some people like it, some people don't. What the? Look at what I got now, guys. Check that out. Look at that. Perfect piece of disc holder. Not a broken CD go. Oh.
That's what I just done to it. Cause that's fun, guys. How fun.
Me and Ryan have what they call ADHD.
Check that out.
Yeah.
Check it out. So, Fred, you remember how there's a hard top right there?
Mm-hmm.
Open that bitch up.
Where? Right where? There's not one no more.
No, hey, honestly. Right here there's a hard top where all the disc would play, and then like there's like the components for it and stuff. Right up on here.
So let's see, guys. Let's see if we can knock this whole thing out in a minute. What is that? Guys, what is this? That's pretty cool, whatever it is. Let's see what happens right here from right here with CD player. Let's see. Oh, guys, look at that. Look. That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Oh, look crap. Oh, guys, he broke it. Look at that, he broke it. Just the whole entire thing right there, for sure.
There's something.
So guys, what is this? You guys even know what this is? I don't know what that is, but if you guys know,
all the electric components right there. That's what they were. But man, we got one more thing to do.
look at that, guys. What's good to do?
Put this bitch up. Destroy you. You know what I'm saying now?
That?
Yeah, we gotta destroy that. I mean, destroying the radio, we have to destroy the actual components and all that, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little bouncy.
Especially if nothing holding it together now.
There we go.
There we go.
That's awesome, dude. That's good, that's good. Don't make a bigger mess. You have a big mess already.
Oh, guys.
Look, hey, man. There's that. And then
Guys, look at that.
you have this. Be careful because it has cookies on it.
Where the hell that is? That's a motherboard, guys. Holy fudge.
That was a fun one.
Yeah.
That was fun. Well,
What
you
do
got
you
anything
guys,
to say or definitely?
what do you guys think about this, guys? You guys like it? Dislike it? Let me know. We got one more thing to destroy.
I'll just do an in smash for you guys real quick.
Huh?
I'm gonna do an in smash one. But anyways, what's the one more thing to destroy?
Check that out, guys. I'm gonna break off of it. Look. Anyway, I'm gonna destroy some speakers later on. And,
Definitely watch for that.
Yeah. Got some speakers in my bedroom. That was loud. I have some speakers in my bedroom. Ooh, what's this, guys? What is that? That's kind of like a piece of paper off the back. I can't even get that
Anyways,
off.
guys, this is the end of the stereo destruction. It was very fun. I hope you guys had fun watching it. And see you next time.